I've received a lot of requests asking me to break down the peptide known as BPC-157, which stands for Body Protection Compound. And it's important to note that the majority of studies of this peptide have been done in preclinical or animal models. And there are just a few studies that have been done in humans that look at pain and gut health. And the proposed mechanisms of BPC-157 are involved with the healing of connective tissues, healing of muscles, and healing of the gut. And it does this through promoting blood vessel formation, decreasing inflammation, and accelerating fibroblast activity. But for the purposes of today's video, I'm just going to focus on that proposed mechanism of promoting blood vessel formation. And that's because it's hypothesized that BPC-157 assists a certain protein known as VEGF in interacting with the VEGF receptor 2 on the outside of endothelial cells. And this is important for two critical processes. The first is an angiogenesis pathway activation in order to promote new blood vessels being formed. And the second is activating or phosphorylating another protein called FAK, which then is able to go downstream and activate or phosphorylate a second protein known as paxillin, which is involved in processes related to cytoskeletal reorganization and cell movement, or just overall cell turnover. So these two downstream processes would happen on their own throughout our bodies. However, it's hypothesized that BPC-157 assists in starting that process out. So you can almost think of these complex processes like dominoes that are lined up, and they have two branching pathways. And as those dominoes fall, or as those proteins are activated, they're going to affect the next one, and then the next one, and so on. However, BPC-157 is hypothesized to be that initial energy that starts out that domino process in order to get the ball rolling. So let us know in the comments if you've ever heard of BPC-157, and let us know if there's other topics that you want to learn more about, and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking over here, and you may also enjoy this related video that I have over here. I'll see you on the next one.